Hi there, my name is Onyezo. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making spaghetti and mince using my instant pot. Okay, let's get it. The first thing that I'll do is to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'll add my red onion and my mixed peppers. What I usually do to make my life easier is to chop and freeze my onions and peppers, so that when I need to cook, I just grab them from the freezer and I cook. Okay, so after frying my onions and peppers for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna add my mincemeat, and then I'm gonna mix all of that together, and then I'm gonna add my spices. Okay, so I added my salt and pepper, and then I used paprika, and then I used some herbs, and I used garlic powder because I don't have crushed garlic right now. Okay, so you can use any seasoning of your choice, but at this point I will add my beef stock, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water, mix that up, and then close the instant pot. Make sure that it is on ceiling and not venting, so that the steam does not escape. And then I'll cancel the saute option, and then I'll add pressure cook and set the timer to 12 minutes. Okay, so here while I'm waiting for my mincemeat to cook through, I'm going to take boiling water, and then I'm gonna add my spaghetti, and then add a little bit of salt and oil, and then let that boil for 7 to 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna drain that. And then now 12 minutes is over. I'm gonna open my instant pot. Okay, so now my mince is ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my drained spaghetti, then I'm gonna add them, then I'm gonna mix that up. So at this point my instant pot is on the saute option, so I've cancelled the pressure cook option, and now it's back onto the saute option. And then I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomato pesto. I'm gonna just add all of that in, and then I'm gonna mix it up. So I'm just mixing everything up, and then I'm going to dish up. That's it. This was so delicious. If you try it, let me know on the comment section below. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for the love and for the support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check more of my videos and some of my playlists, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.